Accelerate productivity. Accelerate onboarding. And accelerate closing the skills gap with our Accelerate methodology from the development of your manufacturing workforce. It starts with identifying your specific workforce conditions and the results you want to achieve. These fuel a focused analysis of needs that drive the tailored design of an effective learning and development program. With online classes, industry-endorsed certifications, instructor-led courses, and over 20,000 resources mapped to specific competencies, Tooling U-SME will implement a customized plan for you, and we evaluate the outcomes to ensure positive results. We've worked with thousands of companies, including more than half the Fortune 500 manufacturers, and we can accelerate your workforce performance too.